Alright, so we're doing an unboxing for a Dell monitor docking station. Well, we are unboxing it. So, here's the unit. Alright, comes with the power. Come with the power. There's the unit and the power cord. Alright. And manual. More manual. More manual. Power supply. Power connector. Yeah, so we got everything. Power supply, power connector, and the unit itself. And that's it. Yep. So, let's see what they got here. We got HDMI. I'm not sure what port that is. This is the VGA. This is the Ethernet and 2 USB, and then the USB 3.5, I believe, 3.3, and then the power supply here. And this unit will power your laptop too. All right. So this is the power cable here, and the unit model is the Dell WD15. Okay, let's get installed. Okay, so we're gonna plug in the VGA from this monitor over here to this VGA port. Alright, just like that. And for the HDMI cable from this monitor here, gonna go to the HDMI side at this port. If you want to come over this way, you see better. Alright, so that's how it connects. And I'll screw in this. Yep, so it does have a screw in, so I'll screw it in here so it doesn't move. Now we connect the power cable. So the power cable goes to the back side. On the other side has the microphone and another USB 3.5 or 3.3 ports. So you got 3 of those. But the power unit is in the back here. So, plug the power here in. I'll let this hang down later. Okay. And this goes to the laptop. So this is the C port that goes to your laptop. And this will charge your laptop too. So the laptop will sit on this side. Okay.
Should I have this?
Yep. So let me unloose this. Not long enough. I have to release it down there. Okay. We're just gonna release everything down to, and then tie this back up here. Plug this in. Alright. So really, we don't need the power cord for the laptop no more. So I can show you the C port is over on this side. Alright, it goes in there. And so you'll power your laptop with it too. And to power this on, there's a power button right here. Alright, so let's try it. Let's power this on first. Alright. And then we're gonna, I don't know, maybe it's already on. Yeah, PC's powering up too. So let's see. Yeah, the monitor is always on because it's plugged into the power unit, but it's not connecting here. I guess you have to we're gonna come right back. Well, they both work, so that's how you connect. So the laptop doesn't need its own power supply, just connect into this docking station. Alright. Thank you for viewing. Have a great day.